In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro for free. So in here, I'll be showing you what are the different plans in Canva and their benefits and how to get Canva Pro for free. So the first thing you need to do is tap on the three dots on the upper menu and then select Plans and Pricing. Under Plans and Pricing, select Compare Pricing. So these are the prices here in the Philippines for Canva users. So I'm going to explain you the difference between those plans. So the first one is Canva Free. So Canva Free is for anyone wanting to design anything on your own or with others. But you only have limited features in Canva Free. So the next one is Canva Pro. Canva Pro is for individuals, solopreneurs, and freelance designers who want unlimited access to premium content. To create professional designs with ease and scales their productivity for one person only for only 2,490 pesos per year. And we also have Canva for themes. These plans are for 2+ people. We also have Canva for teachers and schools and districts. These are actually 100% free. So you just have to get verified and follow the steps for teachers and for the schools and districts. So for now, I'll be showing you how to get Canva Pro for free. So this is what you need to do. You can follow these steps on your browsers or your phone. But for me, I will be doing this on my mobile phone. So I already downloaded my Canva in Play Store. And as you can see here at the bottom menu, there is Canva Pro. Just click that one. So it says here that get 14 days free trial. So just tap that one. So in here, it will show you what are the features and benefits for Canva Pro users. So just go ahead and start my free trial. So that just tap that one. So after your 14 days free trial, you will be charged for 299 pesos per month or for yearly subscription. So Google will notify you before your free trial ends. And that's it. That's how to get your Canva Pro for free. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.